So I just scheduled my first workshop in my Arabic with Thuraya club. I want to show you. This is it. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a brainstorming session. This is my first workshop on Clubhouse. So we will do a brainstorming session for 15 minutes. Then we will move on to Zoom. So this is going to be a weekly Arabic workshop. We will brainstorm on the topic for 15 minutes, then join the 45-minute workshop on Zoom. And this is my first session, and it's about Arabic letters and sounds. Join me. I see you Wednesday at 8 p.m. New York time on Clubhouse. The links are in this video description.